Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by and watching this video. So there is something really big going on in California right now for Uber and Lyft drivers, as well as people who work for gig economy companies like DoorDash, Instacart. Anybody who basically does freelance work, works on 1099 full-time. There is a lot of stuff going on in California. The California Assembly, really quickly, quick debrief of what's going on. I'm gonna get into the video, into the topic of the video, but for anybody who doesn't know what's going on, quick debrief. California, now that there are, millions of people across the US relying on gig work for full-time income, the California Assembly wrote a bill. They modified a bill that was written about a year ago, to include Uber and Lyft drivers as employees to receive employee benefits, the rights to unionize, and as well as a set wage. And Uber and Lyft basically responded saying that, hey, we want our drivers to stay contract workers. We don't want to make them employees. We don't want to give them benefits. We want them to keep their flexibility. And they also encourage drivers. They sent out petitions to all the drivers in California to sign a petition to keep, so we can stay contract workers. I signed the bill, or the petition, and then they're also holding a rally on July 9th in the state capitol in Sacramento. And now somebody just forwarded this to me. Shout out to Robert. He so when you sign the petition, I clicked yes to receive updates, and this is the update that you got. It says, as you can see here, California legislative information tracking info, worker status set for hearing on July 10th to July 19th at 9:30 a.m. So in a few days, they're gonna decide. So we're gonna know what happens. Basically, the Senate still needs to go through the Senate in order to pass. So yeah, but this could be the change for the gig economy forever. I mean, once this passes, if it does pass in California, it's definitely going to go on to other states. So even if you're not in California, this is directly affecting you for the near future. Also, sorry, I'm doing my videos in the car. I have my laptop here. Pretty much homeless for right now because I moved out of my apartment and I'm looking for a place to live. So shout out to being homeless. But yeah, so I just want to get this quick update out and then share my thoughts as well. I want to hear your guys' thoughts first and foremost, so leave your thoughts down below. Just comment down below while the video is going on or after it's done if you want the full scoop. But yeah, guys, this is huge. I personally want to stay a contract worker. I do not want to be an employee, which is why I signed it. And Uber and Lyft is, compromising. They want to increase the pay without making us employees because, let's face it, I didn't become a driver to be an employee. I don't want to have a set schedule. And a couple of you guys were saying, oh, we can still be employees and not have a set schedule. Well, in Uber's wording on my email, when they said to sign the petition, they said, let me see if I can bring it up. I do not have Wi-Fi on here, but let's see if I can just pull this up. Yeah, like right here, guys, this is the email they said. They said, attend the rally to protect driver flexibility. That means scheduling. What does flexibility means? I like having my flexibility to sign on and off whenever I want. So a lot of people are saying, oh yeah, you can be an employee and still have flexibility. Well, probably not. You guys know how Grubhub works, how Instacart works. You sign up for blocks. I don't want to have to sign up for a block because that will basically probably be taken away, as you can see in the wording here. I mean, yeah, I'm just reading direct wording from Uber. I trust Uber. I trust them wholeheartedly. That's why I work for them. A lot of people are saying, oh, I don't want to sign the petition. I don't trust Uber. Are you serious? You're driving for them. I hope you trust them if you're driving for them. Why would you work for a company you don't trust? I don't get the... maybe I'm missing something, but anyways, that's it. We will have a decision. Let me know, what decision do you think will happen? Will it be passed? Will it not be passed? And yeah, I guess we'll find out. But let me know your thoughts down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great, amazing day. And for now, drive for Uber and Lyft, get out there and make some money. Or if this passes and becomes employees, well, maybe I will stop saying that. So, all right, guys, you guys are great. I will talk to y'all soon. Later, guys. Peace. I'm gonna go to sleep now. All right. Good night, guys.